Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Acrogel as a 3D art material. Oh my god, let's get started. So I've already prepped the nail, I've already removed the surface shine, we've done the cuticle work and we're going to fit the form. Going to do a stiletto. Now we do have a video that shows you how to fit a sculpting form, how to file. We've got a video of how to file a stiletto nail and everything, haven't we? Yeah, we've got lots of stiletto videos. So I'm going to just build this out to about a 2.5. I've got medium speed liquid. It is warm in the studio today. If I used high speed, that would set really quick. And we don't want that. I'm going to dehydrate the nail with the nail prep dehydrator. This is part of the prep system. So you've got your nail prep dehydrator and then you've got your acid base primer. We also have an acid free primer. I've not used the acid base primer on Andrea before, so I feel like giving it a go and see how it suits her.
What's the difference?
One has acid!
No, but what's it? No, I know that, but what's the difference?
That'll really strip the oils.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes it can have greater adhesion.
Alright.
So I want to see what it's like on you. I think that's a good thing to do as well. If you want to try, if you have a client that really has lifting problems, try the acid primer. It might just solve your problems. I'm going to build this nail out of Bisque Pink. I couldn't quite remember. I knew it was bisque, but I didn't know what it said after.
I don't know what I thought you were going to say biscuit.
Bis-
Gonna build this nail out of biscuit.
Yeah, we're going to do biscuit nails
it's a very
today.
yummy nail,
And
and it doesn't last very long because you just get a bit peckish and you eat
And
it.
you eat it.
Yeah, and if you dip it in your tea, well, it'll just dissolve away. Yeah. So bisque pink, or pink bisque, big bisque pink. Oh God. Now it's set, I'm going to take the form off. I'm going to file the nail into shape with my normal filing routine, which is side walls first, then the cuticle, and then I'll contour the rest of the nail. Just going to buff over to smooth this out. Wipe over with acetone. What I'm going to do now is use strawberry cream as the colour. I like this colour a lot. We're going to do 2 coats of colour. I'm going to cure each layer. Put that in. going to top coat this now. I want to seal those colours in. Make sure you cap the edge. Pop me that in the lamp. This one is called Just a Wisp. So we've put a little bit onto this backing paper. Right, I'm going to pop that on. And I'm going to use my 3D brush to pat and press the product to create a 3D flower. Just look at how cool that is. It's so cool that you can do that with this product. It's not setting. It has a little bit of a shine as well. Pop that in a lamp for me. Now with this product, the warmer the room is, the more this product will move about as well. So if it's cold, it'll be firmer, and if it's warm, it'll be softer to press and manipulate. So this is a lot softer to play with than the sculpture gel. I'm just going to wipe over because it is a slight sticky layer. And you don't want sticky fingers, do you?
No.
Sticky fingers is never good, is it?
No, I don't want fluff sticking to them.
No. So I purposely used a very similar colour so you get that subtle effect. We've just done a calla lily and a flower, a rose, some leaves. So it looks classy. For a classy lady.
Me?
You're so classy. Look at Andrea over there looking so fancy. She's so classy.
You're from Texas today.
Yeah, I don't know where that was from. But somewhere. Not England, clearly. It does look like that Wedgwood, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's what it reminds me of, yeah.
Mm. I like it.
Beautiful.
There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that video. So, who knew you could use Acrogel for 3D art? How amazing is that? All the products I've used today will be listed below as always, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, I am Kirsty Nails. So maybe I'll see you there. Bye bye. Hello, greetings from Cancun, Mexico.
Mm.
Mexico!